Hey y'all see how I'm about to get down. But yeah, I ain't been on my game. It's been a minute. Yes, I'm gonna be deep cleaning this shower. That's my focus pretty much on this video. And I'm gonna be doing a lot. When I tell you, I started off with this shower door. So many water spots. I cannot stand the water spots, but they're gonna get there, and if you don't keep up with it, it's gonna happen. So I started off by using the Barkeeper's Friend that you spray on, and I scrub with a Scrub Daddy non-scratch Scrub Daddy sponge, and then I rinsed and I squeegeed. But I did notice it did not get as clean as I wanted it to be. I still saw the water spots, so I went for it again. But this time I used a steel wood pad. So you see right here, I was checking for it. I'm going to use these steel wood pads, and I'm going to go over the spots again, the areas that I want to go over. Once I was finished, it was better. I'll say it was better. So I had to, rinse again, squeegee it again. Then I moved right along to the floor. Normally, I'll do the walls first and then I'll do the floor, but I wanted to scrub this floor. I couldn't wait to get to it. So that's what I did. And I didn't do a lot of scrubbing on the walls. I did hit some areas in the grout that I wanted to get. And usually the areas right at the bottom is where you have to give a lot of attention to sometimes if you don't upkeep with it. And so that's what I did. I scrubbed those areas that I wanted to pay a lot of attention to, and then I rinsed everything off. And I took a all-purpose cleaner and I used a sponge to wipe the walls down and gave the walls a good bath, bathe them really good. Then I rinsed everything down, the floors and the walls. Then I took the Clorox bleach spray and I sprayed down the floors. I wanted to give it a good disinfect and let that sit for a couple minutes, rinsed everything down. Then I buffed and dried everything, the walls and the floors and the fixtures. I finished off by using my spray away glass cleaner and cleaned the glass and buffed it out, and that was it for that shower. Just want to pop on and say hello, and just to say thanks so much for tuning in. I know I am not a consistent but some things has changed in my life, so my plan is to be more consistent than I have been. But life be lifing, so I just like to do this for a little motivation to help people get going. When it comes to cleaning, I like cleaning, although I don't always have the time that I want to clean, or I can say take the time to clean, because sometimes we have time to do things and we may choose not to do it, and then we'll blame it on I didn't have time. You got time, you just got to make time. Sometimes you have to prioritize, if I said that correct, what you do and make time to do those things that need to be done. Of course, we will gravitate to the things that we understand. We tend to gravitate to doing the things that we enjoy, like, you know, activities that we like to do. You know, me, I like to be in the streets. So sometimes I may choose to do that versus the things that I need to do. But once I get going, especially with cleaning, you know, I'll get it done. It just may take me a minute to get to that point because I want to do what I want to do in the streets. You know, I like to do errands. I'd rather be outside sometimes. But on the other hand, I do like to be home too. So I don't know. But when I'm home, I be tired from running the streets. So then I want to just chill out, knowing that I need to get some things done. So basically, with this shower, I call it somewhat of a deep clean because I've been on the go. I've been just doing other things versus doing what I need to do. And I have neglected this shower once again, so I had to do more to it than I would just do on a regular basis, like, you know, cleaning it and the upkeep of it. So, but anyway, every once in a while, you want to do that anyway. So, but that was a result of me neglecting. And I got that done. And so now I'm about to hit the rest of this bathroom. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the motivation. Stay in touch, you know, like, subscribe, and share if you like this type of content. Just cleaning motivation. I may get on and talk every now and then. Of course, I would love build up my subscribers and get more people. But hey, you can't force people to do anything. But I'm here for the ones that are here and are here for me. Thanks for the support. See you on the next video. I poured water down the toilet to get the water line low so that I can put the toilet cleaner in there. Have you guys ever taken off your toilet seat to clean it? It's a good idea. Although mine wasn't bad at all. I had never done it and I was like, let me do this. And yeah, if you have little ones that, you know, don't aim well, you may want to take that off and try to clean it. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memory. Question: how many of you all decorate your entire house? Living room, kitchen, bathrooms, bedrooms. Me personally, I only really decorate my living room and my kitchen, and maybe a little bit like in my entryway. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. This is a new product that I haven't used called Liquid Gold. I want to try it on my cabinets. It actually has a good smell to it. That's what I like about it mainly, and it does give a shine. Christmas memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Well, hope you got some good cleaning motivation. Thanks for watching, tuning in, and Merry Christmas. Oh, oh, oh.